ever break your TGV sensor, this is what's gonna happen. Got this thing all torn apart. This is everything that you're gonna have to take off. This sensor is a pain to get to. I've also got the manifold loose because that's the only way you can get a socket down there. The power steering pump and everything. Seriously, don't do this. All this is loose. Snapped the sensor clean in half. The only nice thing about this is that the TGV sensor is actually just a throttle position sensor, so they're pretty cheap. It was like 12 bucks on eBay. But seriously, if you're putting in an up pipe or anything, just be super careful, because I didn't even realize I broke that until it became a problem. I was clearing all the codes from putting the up pipe in and everything, and had some codes there saying the TGV valves were stuck open. And I'm thinking, well, that's not the worst thing in the world. I mean, it's just for idle anyway, while you're warming up. But the next thing you know, I come out of the store, turn the car on, pull onto the road, and no boost. So it's definitely kind of a problem when they get stuck shut. I got an engine light for that. You can only hope there's no bolts left over once it's all back together.